Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Ahmad. Today I will be presenting about industrial tanning. My company name that I worked for in my internship was Al-Hawra National Beauty Sdn Bhd and also Madrasah Tafiz Al-Quran Darul Ta'in. My advice from academic advisor is Prof. Madya, Dr. Lomami Ismail. My student ID is F20800569. This is chapter one. To introduction, the background of my company that I was internship. First is Al-Hawra Beauty. Al-Hawra National Beauty was established at 2014, and they have been available to be selling, to be purchased, or to be working at the selling. And for your information, the founder of this Al-Hawra companies was named Puan Rafiq binti Isa, and she is worked as a teacher at the Pahang. Okay, for the firstborn of her oldest daughter is the Al-Hawra Hafi binti Muhammad Shahriza. With the Al-Hawra is the beginning of her to establish her own company that means Al-Hawra National Beauty. For the Al-Hawra company vision and mission is have two. Vision for is she want all to be a producer of a high value herbal product for society. For the mission, she wants to be a good quality and high quality of the branding or also in produce, and she wants more to bring in more for Bumi Putra to be entrepreneur who are competitive enough in field. Okay. This is Madrasah Tafiq Al-Quran Darul Ta'in. This is her this is my background that I on during this part. This madrasah was registered at 2019, but is now establishing directly in 2024. We have a code as Jais and also with Jakim, and now we have 3 of teachers and 10 of students. For the madrasah vision is to produce a Hafiz, Alim or Da'i who can comprehend the content that will read the Al-Quran and Hadith in order to apply it, communicated and it to the entire community. For the mission is have 4. First is give a bread to the individual who has a high of moral to a knowledge. 2 is of course is to create a event for them to have a skill, be independent and show a sense of responsibility. Third is to education that based on the world and the afterlife can preserve in the individual goals. And last is for make a da'i who can able to worship the movement in everywhere country. This is the objective for madrasah. Madrasah objective is to making the madrasah the best place that the good have the education in producing Hafiz Al-Quran who have noble character, stand tall in upholding the teaching of the Al-Quran and Islamic teachings in their respective communities. This is my memories when I got this experience during internship that I worked with having in several fields that including marketing creator, do a production like doing a process forward them to Korea, and also I being an administrator at the madrasah for about 2 months. This is the memorable in memory at my industry in March and July 2024. For the organization background, first is Al-Hawra background. She is a teacher who work at who work also in Al-Hawra and also work as teacher in all state in Pahang. Product manufactured by the Al-Hawra Beauty have been influenced by the culture tradition of people that living in the Southeast Asia. Many ladies or girls that have been able to whiten their complexion and make their skin smoother without the need to apply any foundation, and make thanks to the form that facts the Al-Hawra Beauty product are made with the full utilization that naturally resources that they use for their manufacturing. This is for madrasah background that same what that you produce that is established at 2019 and have a 10 of students and also 3 teachers. In addition, madrasah also provided an open area for the worship. This is organization chart of Al-Hawra Beauty Company. First is CEO is Rafiq binti Isa, leader is her own husband, Shariza, and admin finance is my supervisor that conducted my internship. His name is Muhammad Fuad bin Mazli, and have also the marketing, administration, production, and also designer. This is organization chart that I on make it for the madrasah. First is Dato' Haji Anwar, the CEO, and have a Timbalan pengurusi is the one is second of the chairman, and also I have an on in there that being an admin, and also I have a good with warden, teachers, and also the good one is being a students. Students. Itu je lah lepas tu. Okay, this is organization production that I will serve. This is the works that is scope job that I presented that I operate as a marketing creator and producer in my role as a marketing developer. I established a new account such as Facebook fan page and Instagram account to the benefit for Muslim protesters and robbers. In addition, I create movie, like it's not a movie but it's a video that I create to promote a sales item. such as a fashion beauty product, clothes, and for during promotion in ID3. In addition to my marketing job, I conduct online sellers on the TikTok that that I've going live in 3 times every week. Okay, in the manufacturing section, I am also responsible for the product packing and the transporting item to the courier. This task is that every day is till Friday, and deliveries are made between Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. In every month, I will be given to 10,000 product items to pack and deposit in the inventory management storage facility. I plan this work will be into to the conclusion of my internship at Al Hara Natural Beauty Senior Brand. This is the between of my work at Al Hara. This is marketing creator, and I be in production. Also, I have internship in selling on online TikTok. This is as an administrator, I was work at madrasah. My employer at madrasah is at the madrasah. I am being an administrator. That I was assigned to be prepared an official letter report and on the farm project to prove to Jais and Jakim. It was finished in 3 days. In addition, after 2 months of starting work, I was assigned to organize events such as I did at her food fairs and the Perfect Adha sacrifice at the Tafis Aku Madrasah in June. According that, my daily duties at the madrasah including entering money and disposing money, as well holding student fee and managing new student administration. This position letters in the competition of my internship at the madrasah. This is my administration for about 2 months. I was work at madrasah, and madrasah Tafis Aku is at State Negeri Sembilan. Okay, this is summary of the training that I was work as an internship. First, for marketing creator, activity for the midday, during the afternoon, or also in the end, I was develop the marketing materials such as advertising, social media posting, blog articles, and also I will establish a publish schedule for content across a variety of the marketing venues. And for the responsibility that I will keep in mind is the important to review and marketing for in performance indicator for the day, and I will prepare the content and strategy for the day that are to come marketing database and report should be keep updated and maintained. Okay, this is second one as a production. I will ensure that the equipment or the item is properly maintained and have no any problem. And for the afternoon, I should be doing a live TikTok and to guarantee that the product that I sell is good. And to keep a record of the product open as well as any problem to rise. And also I do to ensure the production report activity logs are finished. For the third is being an administrator. This is the most that I do with my own, that I have no contact with my supervisor, just my own to be to work as an admin. This is that I do in daily life, daily day, send and receive a message and email and answer to them, such as with the VVIP. And I will review the daily agenda and arrange the tasks in order for important tasks. I will participate in meeting with members of the team or with the supervisors, and I will plan and organize activities such as do an event, and I also address and resolve any concern or question raised by the staff or customers. For the responsibility that I do is take notes of the meeting section, conduct a fee for the student registered, make a certain that I have administrative costs are finished and they are documented. Okay, this is technical report. Therefore, my first project is work as marketing creator. Then I working with my main responsibility is to develop and implement effective marketing strategies that will boost brand visibility and customer engagement. Every morning I start by going through to my inbox, carefully analyze each email. Thus, I meticulously plan out the content calendar to ensuring that every detail is accounted for to stay ahead of the game. I dedicated time to researching the latest market trends that I closely study for our competitors. And for my daily tasks, I involve creating and designing a variety of marketing material, including social media posts, blogs, and also investigation in Facebook and also in TikTok. This is the works that I do for create a video and also create a poster for promotion. This is one that I have to do. Okay, this is my assignment tool is I being a production and distribution operation for Al Hara company. It's my responsibility to ensure that our beauty products are provided in a timely and effective manner. And our team briefing, which takes place first thing in the morning, I and my team discuss our daily production target as well as the modification that I will take a responsibility for maintaining the comprehensive record of the output and the manufacturing processes. Okay, when it's time to ship or do a shipping, I take further care to ensure that the item are packed securely, and that be label checked, and then I collaborate closely with my team that I will do a logistic with to ensure they arrive as properly as possible. This is my work for my production. I pack the item with the parcel. This is my work with the clothes. Okay, this name of that is the last assignment that I do in my internship is work as an admin at the madrasah. I will ensure that all the recorded and current for my input data in computer and securely in computer or also input daily. I have an attendance that sheets prepared that sheet is my inbox first thing in the morning. Such things more than I ensure that all the operation function smoothly. Then I'll be collaborating with the other departments to address any crisis matter. The majority of the typical work day is devoted to meeting in the event planning, for the paperwork, or also for the official letter. Then I am responsibility for the maintenance of facilities. Okay, for the provision of the administrative support to the structure, then I will research any technological issues that may arise during the afternoon. I will ensure that all tasks are complete before I go back to work, go back to home. And this structured schedule is advantageous for both employers and children, as it ensures that all the operations are conducted efficiently. This is my works, most of the official letter, and I do a book record for my students. Okay, for the conclusion, this is my part last. For the conclusion, is my result for the employer at doing internship at Al-Hara National Beauty Company in Madrasah. Give me an idea or can work as a marketing creator, as a being work as a production, shipping, or also work as an administrator. As a part of my responsibilities, I guarantee that our messaging resonating with our audience and promote growth by producing and playing social media like posts and developing powerful marketing campaigns. I have responsibility also for ensuring the high quality standard that are maintaining through the effective process for the production, logistic, and also for the social media selling, and for my ability to handle many tasks with skill and devotion as heavy polish as a result of this profession working together. And from at madrasa also, I work as an administration that while I can ensure that the expression runs smoothly. That's all. For my suggestion, two suggestions for faculty industry training program that I will talk about is for initiations mentorship and support system. First is to ensure that student can gain the most from their industry training. It will be the meaningful to create a most robust mentoring and support system. Students could be prayed about the committed mentor who and studies worker, and this mentor would give the student advice, share the information about how things are done in the business, and then give a student helpful comment on their work. Okay, mentor and also students should also check in with each other on the daily life or basic to see how the thing is good going and talk about any problem the student may be having. And for this is one, and for two suggestion is a workshop with the plan for improving the skill. With any structure skill building workshop that are tailored to the businesses, where students are put in another area that could be use some work that this work could be about a lot of useful thing that like your project management, learning how to use the MS tool, how to communicate clearly and best practice for your businesses. Okay, this is two suggestions for the industry that I will work at internship. This was lacking and have a benefit. But for the lacking, I will say that you have to use a technological solution to meet needs, such as by have a good software system for operation like inventory management, project tracking, or also a customer relationship management. It is possible to automate procedures that are repetitive and decrease the number of errors that occur. In addition to providing scalability and accessibility, it is possible for team to operate remotely and collaborate with one each another. And two suggestion is creating an environment in which continuous improvement is encouraged, that collaboration and creativity are both facilitated by the formation of cross-functional team with a purpose and generating ideal for solution and putting the best practice into action. That's all. And suggestion for myself, I must learning a skill development should be going in processes, and also I have to do establishing the reputability name for my profession. For the learning and skill development, I could want to think about getting some candidate and choosing field or enrolling in the special training program. That's why I want to keep up with the competition and move on the corporation like corporate leader. It is essential to put money into learning new thing and to improve my existing skill. For the establishment name for my professionals is to make sure that my resume or LinkedIn profile they up to date to showcase to my best talent. That can be accomplishment, be a professional aspiration, then be a best my talent. To get involved in my own events, work toward leadership, prize of law, and give talk and seminar to show off my skill in my field. That's all. Thank you. This is my last presentation. Thank you for watching this video.